Hello there, everybody, and welcome to this episode of the series where we have been looking at what successful CEOs do. And in this particular series, the main purpose is to give you a blueprint, to give you an idea of what you should be focusing on as a leader of that amazing business that you are building or you are leading. And today we are looking at innovation and technology. One of the most important things that successful CEOs in this dispensation are doing is that they are leading innovation and technology in their businesses. There is no way you are going to build a thriving business in this dispensation ignoring technology and innovation. Whether you are in a rural area, in a semi urban area, in an urban city, in the biggest cities in the world, this is something that you cannot leave chance. This is something that you cannot ignore as a business person. You know, according to McKinsey, technological investments must now be part of strategic planning at the highest corporate levels. That means that if you are a CEO, one of the most important investments you should be focusing on is technological investment, because without this, you are going to miss out on a lot of things. And CEOs should lead the technology transformation and drive the tech agenda, drive the innovation agenda as much as they would drive finance agenda or corporate strategy. Why? Because many a times CEOs and senior leaders focus on driving strategy around finance, around corporate, around sales. They are all very important, but they ignore technological strategy. They ignore innovation strategy, right? And just to explain this, technology is not innovation. Technology is a tool that enhances innovation, right? So that they work together so well. Okay. Now, to ensure that innovation leaders deliver value to their enterprise, to ensure that you as a CEO should be able to deliver value to your enterprise, you must create a climate in which innovation can flourish. You must create a climate where you encourage and you celebrate people that are innovative and think of better ways that they can use technology to create more value for your enterprise and serve your customers better. So you need to be conscious of this and begin to lead this. Don't be at the back bench. Be at the forefront of this. And this is not about you being a tech person or knowing how to code. No, it's about you having the mindset, having that leadership ability to encourage, push for innovation. I know many CEOs that I've worked with, I've consulted with, that they know nothing about code, but they run tech companies. All they need are the software guys, the guys who can do the code, but they need that innovation platform. They encourage them to create and to use tech to innovate more and more for the enterprise. So in simple terms, what should you be doing as a CEO? Number one, foster a culture of innovation around your business. Intentionally foster this amazing, powerful culture of innovation across your business landscape. What is a culture of innovation? Culture of innovation talks about a workplace or a work environment where you, as the CEO, you encourage employees to share creative ideas and solutions. Employees know that they have the liberty to contribute and share creative ideas without fear of judgment, without fear of being insulted, without fear of being minimized or ignored. No, or without fear of being questioned. Who do they think they are? No. That environment, that workplace environment where you encourage employees to share creative ideas and solutions. In the culture of innovation, everyone in the workplace feels confident to brainstorm and introduce new ideas. If you notice that your employees or your team members, people around you, are not confident, are not excited, don't feel free to brainstorm and suggest new ideas to you, you do not have the right culture of innovation around you. You need to start building this culture of innovation. Number two, you need to stay informed about emerging technologies relevant to your industry. Yes, you need to stay very, very informed about emerging technologies and innovative ideas relevant to your business and your industry. If you're in healthcare, stay informed. What are the latest tech products, equipment in healthcare? If you're in agriculture, you're in finance, you're in education, you need to stay informed. How can you do this? You can do this by, for example, signing up on newsletters, on organizations or innovative individuals or industry captains, and you read their emails every week. You can look, you can research universities in your industry, because one thing about the education sector is that there are universities that are recognized as top research and innovative universities in particular areas. If you're in agriculture, you can research top 10 research universities in agriculture, and you can go to their website and sign up for their newsletters and their blog articles. Read what their professors are talking about. Exactly. When you do that, you stay informed. And when you stay informed, you'll be able to lead innovation and technology in your business. Next is oversee the implementation of new technologies. Yes, you're not the one implementing. You can oversee, you can lead the implementation of new technology. Here, if you have grown, you can have chief tech officer, chief innovation officer. You can have an innovative team, a tech team, right? And you encourage them while you're staying on top and being informed of latest tech and innovative strategies and ideas. You begin to inform them, hey guys, look at this. Look at what these people are doing. Look at what was released. Look at what was announced. What do you think we can do about it? And then you guys brainstorm. And if you come out with a conclusion, you lead the implementation of that technology. Don't leave it to procrastination. Don't ignore it. Don't leave it to chance. No, lead the implementation of the new technologies. Be at the forefront. Make sure that it is put to use. The next thing I will encourage you to do is learn how to drive interdepartmental collaboration for innovative solutions and creative problem solving. Learn how you can bring various departments in your business together. Let them collaborate for innovative solutions and creative problem solving. For example, the marketing department markets what is being produced in the manufacturing department, for those who are in manufacturing, right? For the marketing message to be well received, the packaging must be well done. So the manufacturing department cannot do the packaging alone. They will need to talk to the marketing department to hear what are our customers interested in. Same for HR. The HR department may need to collaborate or will have to collaborate with the marketing director to know exactly the kind of people to recruit, the kind of mindset they need in that department. So one of your responsibilities in order to promote innovation is to encourage interdepartmental collaboration for innovative solutions. The more departments can collaborate swiftly, the more they can create innovative solutions and, of course, design creative solutions to various problems in the business. The next thing is invest in research and development activities. Yes, one of the most important things that you can do as a CEO is you intentionally create a budget for your business, for your company, and keep the budget aside, and even go to an extent where you employ a research officer. Say, look, your job and this department is to research the latest things happening in our industry, develop prototypes or products that we can test and see which one to launch and mass commercialize for our company. Yes, because again, you don't innovate by chance. You need to be intentional about innovation. And one of the ways to be intentional about innovation is to invest in research and development activities. You can do this by creating an R&D department. You can do this by recruiting a research officer with a research team. You can do this by giving them goals. Look, every three months, we need you to submit research findings. We need you to submit prototypes of different products or services that you have designed so we can test in the market. If it works, we can mass commercialize. You need to lead that. The next thing you should be thinking about is leading digital transformation. Lead digital transformation. What is digital transformation? This is the process of adopting and implementing digital technology so that you can be able to create new products, new services, or improve your operations, or you can modify existing products, existing services, and modify your operations. You look at how can you adopt digital technology. For example, um, AI is so rampant right now. And one thing that many AI platforms have done is that they have created APIs where you can use your API and create a new product that fits your business or your industry. So, how can you adopt that digital technology called ChatGPT to create something for your business or for your industry? That is you adopting digital transformation. So you can create something new or modify an existing product so you can do better for your business. So you need to lead digital transformation, even as basic as social media. Maybe your business right now, you are not making good use of all the Facebook products available. How can you start adopting Facebook platform or WhatsApp business properly so you can improve your operations and how you reach out to your customers? That is digital transformation. The next thing I'll talk about is that the goal the goal of implementing digital transformation is to increase value through innovation, customer experience, or improved efficiency. So, if you're thinking of digital transformation as a CEO, your focus should be how will this increase value for the business through innovation, creating a better experience for our customers, and of course, increasing efficiency. And the last thing I'll talk about here is that as a successful CEO, when it comes to leading innovation and tech, you need to anticipate and plan for potential technological disruptions. One of the most powerful things that is good and at the same time can negatively affect businesses is technological disruptions. For CEOs who are not paying attention or anticipating what may disrupt the kind of technology that may disrupt their business, it can instead kill their business because the competition that will adopt the technological disruption first and execute seamlessly will take away your customers or do better than you, right? So to avoid this and to make good use of technology, you need to anticipate for technological disruption. And when you anticipate and you start seeing signs of what may happen, start developing a plan on how you will make good use, how you will adapt to that technological disruption. And as I conclude, as I said earlier, you don't need to be a tech person. Don't hear this and start thinking, oh, I did not read computer science, I did not do software development, and all of that. No, you don't need to be all of that. You just need to again be a leader, but a leader who thinks about technology, a leader who thinks about innovation. Number two, use other people. Use the people that have studied computer science. Use the software developers. Recruit them or get them on freelance basis. Hire them as consultants, whatever. But make sure that you are on top of this. That is your responsibility as the leader of your business. I hope that you learn a couple of things and you will make some changes in your business. Keep building that dream and see you in the next episode. Cheers.